LUNR was trending a couple of hours ago. It is up 1.53%. This is Thursday, the 22nd of January 2026, pre market session. Okay, yesterday it lost 7.5%. Okay, let's see what we have. Underlying trend is strongly bullish on this 4-hour chart. The extrapolation seems to be suggesting that, okay, it's saying that it might continue to the weakness, but the reverse is what we are looking at right now in this pre-market session, even though it's just fractional 1.53%. So we can't rule out this extrapolation that is saying that this weakness will continue, at least for today. It's actually saying it's going to remain in place up till the 3rd of March. Okay, at various times, at some point, maybe it might attempt to bounce. That may be around early February. Okay, projections are currently saying on this 4-hour chart. Let's see, nothing to the upside, 16.47, 17.96. But we have been able to break down the data on its 4-hour chart. Okay, here we can see has this is where it's reflecting that 1.9 to 1.1% or thereabout. Here it's equally saying that it's not going to hold. It's going to, you may get a rejection and then go into a contraction, then consolidate from let's see, from Tuesday the 27th. Projections are saying 18.46, 19.55, 17.78. All of those are downward projections. So we get out the data from this 4-hour chart, and we got Claude. We got Claude to break it down for us. Okay, so what we have is let's see. Okay, for the 10 period moving average, it has the price pressure momentum is negative. Positions opened 40 hours ago are not in profit. Recent pullback has turned short term bearish. Yes, first derivative still positive, second derivative still positive. So in the midst of all of this weakness, buying pressure is there. There's some buying pressure, and there has a decent amount of pace in that pressure as well. We have the 21 period moving average. It's trending. Positions opened 84 hours ago are handsomely still in profits very much. Okay, yeah, let's see what we have. Derivatives remain strongly positive, uptrend intact. And for the 40 period moving average, we're talking about positions opened 160 hours ago, equally in profit, currently providing critical support. That's that moving average. Derivatives accelerating upward, strengthening. 200 period moving average positions opened 800 hours ago, equally in profit. It's just in a very short time. So all in all, you could still say that even with this weakness it has shown of late, the stock is still, is still showing a lot of strength. It has shown a lot of strength within a longer term. Bullish trend has just weakened in the last couple of hours. So we have the market grid. It gives us a range of possible prices. Okay, we have it's currently at 19.94 right now. So we have them here and the probabilities. Okay, so 20.94, 50% probability requires breakout plus momentum shift. You can see all of that. R1 will be $20. It actually was there, just pulled that from there, from that price. 35% probability, primary target, psychological level, and consolidation zone will be 19.59, just right around where it is right now. Slightly 19.59, slightly below that, slightly below the current price. So the supports will be yeah, these are the supports. Okay, 19.16, 45% highest probability near term. Okay, so yeah, it has a 19.5 percent, sorry, 19.55 dollar projection there. We saw that earlier on. So these are the trade setups. No guarantee that if you apply them that you will succeed. So it's not a recommendation that you apply them at all. So this is mean reversion. Okay, entry zone 19.1 to 19.25, and secondary will be 18.65 to 18.75. and then your target will be $20, 20.47, 20.94. Stop loss will be 18.5, 18.45. Catalyst will be NASA LTV contract announcement, Artemis 2 updates, sector rotation into space stocks. So this setup was is a 3 to 10 day setup, and then we have the long term setup, more of leading towards 1 to 3 months. So structural accumulation play, entry strategy, scale buying. Okay, um, it's around 18.5 to $19 range. Okay, 19.4 to 19.6. Yeah. So the rationale is that the 200 period moving average at 4.04 confirms powerful long term uptrend. 200-day moving average rising from 13.3 to, so this is price pressure momentum 200. That is the price pressure momentum of the 200 period moving average is at 4.04. It's indicating that it's rising at the pace of $4 every 4 hours. Okay, but that may not actually, that's is the theoretical. And then we have the 200 day moving average rising from 13.3 to 47% below current level. Okay, Lanteris acquisition expands addressable market. Structural undervaluation versus peers per sentiment analysis, and then NASA contract pipeline provides binary catalysts. So those are the rationales. And then your targets will be $24 to $26, $28 to $32, and the probabilities. Okay. Risk management, hard stop, daily close below 16.5. Okay. Position sizing, okay, and all of that. Timeline assumptions. Okay, so risk factors, contract award delays, broader market correction, space sector sentiment shift, execution risk on Lanteris integration. So technical setup favors patient accumulation weakness with defined support levels while maintaining exposure to significant upside catalysts. The divergence between a short-term bearish price pressure momentum of its 10-period moving average and the stronger longer-term price pressure momentum on its 21 period, 40 period, and the 200 period moving averages creates an attractive entry window for multi-week holds. So yeah, just see what you make of LUNR, and thank you very much for watching this video.